Helicopter. Wow. What a missing place here. So nice here. It's very nice here. Good morning, everyone. What a nice place here. I'm here in the Prebia house. It's so nice. This is Turk is here. Hi, Don. Look. Oh my gosh. I'm here and then waiting for swimming lesson. Waiting for 1 hour here. Mm, It's very nice here. Look this. It's very nice places. Swimming pool. There. What's that? Very nice. Wow. Hello, Brian Sander.
Matapi, cepat bu. Adia.
I'm here
Ya ya.
waiting for the 1 hour here. Swimming lesson. Yeah. Here, very nice places here. Look. So cool. A swimming pool. There. I love this here. It's very nice. No, not yet houses. There's a lot, not yet a lot of houses. It's a few houses here. It's only a few houses. Yeah, it's very nice. It's a few
Ya
houses
ya.
here. Still not yet built. The house.
Ya ya.
I'm not swimming. I only be here and then look around. Waiting because I look after he has swimming lesson today. Like this. Look. Oh. I can be to. Oh, look at that. So cool. Wow. What a nice place here. Look. Oh, see. Oh, there's a birds. A lot of birds flying. Oh. 8 to 9. Abot sila 8 to 9. Here, I swing. Can do swinging. Yay! Yay, look at this. I'm swing. I ride a swing. Hi, rich man. Oh, rich man, how are you? Yeah. I do swing. I do swing here. Woo! Yay! Yay! La la! Yay! Feels so cool. Oh, there's a lot of helicopter. Oh my gosh. Oh, helicopter again. That's helicopter. Hello, helicopter. Oh, the helicopter is there. I rode that helicopter one time. And it's so cool. Ooh. I love helicopter to pass by here. So cool. I love it. I love to see the helicopter. Ooh. When I was young, when I was kid, I always see bye to the helicopter and the airplane. I did not mean that I rode that kind of vehicle. Flying. Hi, what's the name? Antoinette Reina. Hi, Antoinette Reina. How are you? There. Yay! I feel so cool here. Wee. There, so cool. Wee, so cool to ride here. Ooh. So cool. Here. So nice to do a swing. Yay. Yes. Yeah. How are you guys? I miss you so much. I show my beauty here. I have a long hair already. Oh, again? What happened to the helicopter? Why turning around? The helicopter always turning around and back and forth. Oh, who's that? Owner of the helicopter. I'm here. Hello guys, thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, like and comment below. Bye bye. Love you.